Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to use the query loop in WordPress. This incredibly versatile block allows you to display a list of posts, pages, or any custom post type on your website. It gives you powerful control over how your content is presented, letting you create dynamic sections. You can easily customize the layouts, apply various filters, and set specific sorting options to perfectly match your site's design and content strategy. It's a fantastic tool for showcasing your content. To get started, simply open your WordPress editor, whether you are editing a page or a post. Click the plus icon to add a new block and search for Query Loop. Once you add it, WordPress will offer you a few starting patterns, or you can choose to begin with a blank template for full customization. Next, you will select the type of content you wish to display, such as your latest blog posts, specific pages, or even custom post types you have created. It's quite straightforward. Now for the fun part, customizing your query. The Query Loop block provides extensive options to filter your content. You can easily narrow down your results by specific categories, tags, authors, or even keywords. You also have full control over the order of your displayed items, choosing to sort them by publication date, alphabetical title, or even custom fields. Furthermore, you can adjust the number of items shown, perhaps displaying 5 posts per page, giving you precise control over your content presentation. Finally, let's talk about designing the individual template within your query loop. Once you have set up your query, you can add various blocks inside the loop itself, such as the post title, post excerpt, and the all-important featured image. You can then arrange these blocks to create the perfect layout for each item displayed. Don't forget to apply your preferred styles and typography to ensure everything seamlessly matches your website's overall design. This allows for truly dynamic and visually appealing content sections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.